Mapagpalang umaga po sa ating lahat mga kababayan. Una sa lahat, congratulations sa bagong director ng Northern Police District na walang iba kundi si Police Brigadier General Jerry B. Protasio na siya po ngayon ang bagong Northern Police District at ang kanya pong pinalitan ay si Police Brigadier General Arnold E. Abad na mapupunta naman po sa Manila Police District. Alam niyo po mga kababayan, maganda po yung nagkakaroon po yung papalit-palit na leadership sa PNP na kung saan para po mabigyan ng pagkakataon yung mga opisyal na pamunuan ang iba-ibang lugar at iba-ibang distrito para yung kanilang husay at galing ay maipakita rin naman nila sa kanilang mga assignment area. Kaya po, asahan po natin ang pagsiservisyo ng Northern Police District ay patuloy at lalong pagagandahin sa bagong liderato sa pamumuno po ni General Protasio. Ang sabi niya nga po kahapon, walang puwang ang criminality sa Northern Police District at asahan ng mamamayan ang pulidong suporta at pakikioperasyon at pakikipag-coordinate ng ating kapulisan para lamang mapanatili ang kaligtasan ng ating mga kababayan dyan sa Northern Police District. Again, congratulations po!
Dial 911, darating sila. Huwag na kayong maghanap ng pulis sa presinto sapagkat ang pulis ay nasa inyo ng mga telepono. Darating kami sa loob ng 5 minuto. So, rather na sila ay magtatambay dyan, isasarado natin. So, sila ay maglalakad sa kalsada or sasakay sa kanilang mga mobile at ang pinaka-bottom line, palagi sila may mga radyo.
Sinabi ko sa kanila, dapat laging may nakikita na pulis. Kailangan ang pakiramdam ng tao, laging may pulis dito.
Nararamdaman ng mga tao na safe ng kapaligiran kahit saan Metro Manila, kahit saan magpunta, okay naman. Okay ang palakad ng mga gobyerno natin, mga kapulisan, ayos naman.
Mas maganda-ganda naman maraming kapulisan.
Nakikita naman natin yung mga pulis dito. Responsive naman sila, active naman sila na nag-aayos ng mga traffic natin dito sa lugar na to.
Pagsubok na nalampasan, kahit minsay di pinanghihinaan, hinding-hindi pa rin pag-agabi, kahit mahirap ay ngingiti ang labi, takot at pangamba man ay maghari, para sa kaligtasang hindi mawari, ngunit isa ang sigurado, kayang-kaya to kung ikaw at ako. Sa isang laban, ikaw at ako, para sa inang bayan. Laban ko ay laban mo, laban.
Once again, acknowledging the arrival of General Anthony A. Abelino.
Luwag naman ang venue natin.
Please have a seat, ma'am, sir. Ladies and gentlemen,
Brigadier General Arnold Abad, may you bless him abundantly for his unwavering commitment, strong leadership, and the many accomplishments achieved under his watch. As he steps down, may he find peace and fulfillment in knowing he has lived with honor, integrity, and compassion. Lord, we also lift up to you Police Brigadier General Jerry Protasio, whom you have entrusted with the mantle of leadership as acting district director Fill him with wisdom, courage, and strength as he begins this new responsibility. May he lead with humility, fairness, and a deep sense of duty for the welfare of the men and women under his command and for the people he served. May this transition be guided by unity, respect, and mutual support. Bless the entire NPD family as they move forward with renewed hope and shared purpose. All of this we ask in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Please be seated, ma'am and sir.
And for the presentation of awards and memento to the outgoing Acting District Director NPD, may we request our Regional Director NCRPO, Police Major General Anthony Egaparin, to be assisted by the Command Group. Sir.
Citation reads, General Orders Number NCRPO GOAW 2025-12647. Medalya ng Papuri is given to Police Brigadier General Arnold Evangelista Abad for his exceptional devotion to duty as Acting District Director, Northern Police District from June 19, 2025 to July 14, 2025. His exemplary leadership and dedication significantly contributed to the attainment of the NCRPO's mission, aligning with both the PNP Patrol Plan 2023 and the NCRPO's AAA policing framework. With this laudable deed, Police Brigadier General Abad earned honor and credit not only for himself and the NCRPO, but for the whole PNP as well, by command of Police Major General Abedin. At this point, let us hear the message in the reading of relinquishment of office by our outgoing
Thank you. To our presiding officer, Police Major General Anthony A. Egaparin, sir. To the incoming District Director of Northern Police District, Police Brigadier General Jerry B. Protasio, sir. To the Command Group of the Northern Police District, my classmate, Police Colonel Amante Daro, our Deputy Director for Operations, Police Colonel Benawagan, and our Chief of Staff, Police Colonel Agnedo. Hindi ko na kayo isa-isahin at nagmamadali tayong lahat. Kagaya ng aking pagdating dito, napakadali at napakabilis. Isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. Last June 19, 2025, in front of the same people, I assumed office as the Acting District Director of the Northern Police District. Today, the 14th day of July 2025, after exactly 25 days, I relinquished the same. It was indeed very short, but I could proudly say it was fruitful. Fruitful in the sense that I have learned a lot from the members of the NPD. I have seen how dedicated our policemen are. We have done a lot of CIMEX and response tests during those 25 days. Rain or shine, day and night, flooded or not, our patrollers always make it on time. Let's give them a round of applause. Somehow, in that short period of time, we have also contributed in overcoming the challenges of monitoring the response time of our personnel. Medyo mahirap po ang signal sa office ni DD, sir, kaya nagpalagay po tayo ng base radio doon, nagpalagay din po tayo ng mga TV so we can mirror the NDES app. Ngayon po, sir, di mo na kailangan pumunta sa TOC. Sa office mo, makikita mo ang bodycam ng ating mga patrollers. So kahit po nagpipirma ka, makikita mo kung ilan ang naka-on at nakapatay na BWC. Kita mo din po kung ano ang nakikita ng TOC during live response of our personnel. We can easily command our responders through the Hytera-based radio. Di na po kayo mahihirapan. Marami pa po sana tayong nabalaan ng projects like the SWAT Challenge, the drone training, sports fest, shoot fest, and SWAT training. Kaya lang po medyo kinapos sa panahon, hindi kinaya sa 25 days. Bahala na po siguro si Sir Pagtuloy if he finds it worthy. For now, wala na po kayo kung masasabi, kundi maraming salamat po sa suporta ng buong NPD, pati mga LGUs. Ramdam na ramdam ko po na sobrang welcome ako sa NPD. Sana ay ganoon din po ang inyong maging suporta sa ating incoming District Director. At sana ay patuloy nating suportahan with full dedication ang programa ng ating Chief PNP. Ito naman ay tama. Ito po talaga ang kailangan ng ating mga kababayan. Pulis na maaasahan na darating agad sa oras ng pangangailangan. Hanggang sa muli, this is Neptune 6, signing off. Maraming salamat po.
NPD, Police Brigadier General Jerry V. Botasio, sir.
Thank you. Sanction of Office, pursuant to Paragraph 4, General Orders Number 10HP, General Order BS 2025-3516, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, dated July 11, 2025. I hereby assume the position as Acting District Director, Northern Police District, National Capital Region Police Office, Philippine National Police, effective July 14, 2025, and I sign.
Thank you so much, sir. And for the turnover of office symbol and property book, may I request our Regional Director, NCRPO, Police Major General Anthony A. Abilin.
Sir, Sir, now I pass this office symbol, authority that I govern as Acting District Director of Northern Police District, and I have done my work to the best of my ability. I now entrust you this office symbol, the symbol of authority, and with this word, Acting District Director of the Northern Police.
Sir, the District Director, receiving this office symbol, I'll do my best to govern Acting District Director, the best of my.
Sir, I now turn over this inventory of office property and equipment of Northern Police District. I now entrust this inventory of office property and equipment for your proper utilization and safety.
Sir, I take great pleasure to properly utilize and safe keep all the properties, equipment, and other police.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's have a round of applause. At this juncture, to hear his inaugural speech and introduction of our guest of honor and speaker and presiding officer, may we have again the Acting District Director NPD, Police Brigadier General Jerry V. Botasio, sir.
Maraming salamat po sa ating tagapagpakilala. First and foremost, I'd like to pay my utmost respect and salutation to our esteemed presiding officer and the member of the illustrious Tagapagulong sa class of 1993, Police Major General Anthony A. Abilin, sir. Regional Director of NCRPO, and the outgoing Northern Police Director, the incoming NPD, General Arnold Abad. The representative from NCRPO, the RPRMD, Colonel Soria, the chaplain, Colonel Gilbert Tilada, DDA, Colonel Aman Pidaro, DDO, Rebilla Panawagan, CDS, Colonel Armindo. And natin po ang ating mga importanteng guests, si Police Major General Retired William S. Macabenta, the mentor. Sir, please stand up ang aming mentor sa Caloocan. Dito po ako nasa. Kinuha po na ako. Of course, si Miss Ana Maria Macabenta, ang bulihin niya ba ni Sir. Nandito rin si retired Brigadier General Rio Gatasillo, no? Nakita ko kanina. To the press club and other distinguished guests, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta nyo sa okasyon ito. Sa personnel, men and women of Northern Police District, our friends from the media, magandang hapon po. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa ating butihing hepe ng pambansang pulisya, si Chief PNP Police General Nicolas D. Loso Torre III, dahil sa kanyang pagtatalaga sa akin bilang acting director ng Northern Police District. Yan po ay sa tulong ng ating RD, si Major General Antonio Belin. Thank you mga sirs for entrusting me again to serve now the people of Kamanaba. Dati po Caloocan at nag-deputy ako ng Nabotas. Pero nandito rin si classmate ko, si Sir Anthony, si RD. Siya yung si ADG noon, kaya tandem kami dito noon, nasa Northern Police District kami. I accept this responsibility with great humility and with sense of purpose, and promise that I will be giving my unwavering dedication to professional police service as I'm doing the last 33 or 34 years. But today is special because it's not just a new chapter. Ako po'y babalik trabaho dito. It is a renewed commitment to not now for the people of Caloocan, but for Malabon, Nabotas, and Valenzuela, as I'm serving the capacity as the director of this 4 huge town. The Northern Police District stand at the front lines of Eastern Northern Metro Manila at pag-save ang Northern Police, save din ang part na ito po ng Metro Manila. And this time, I know I can do more. And I can have a better to make Kamanaba peaceful and secure area. With Sir William Abit, for the last 2 years nandito kami. And I will make sure to develop the strength, discipline, and the integrity of every police officer at the NPD command with my remaining months in the police service. I will stand with you shoulder to shoulder. I will be responding to crime. Dati naman po ko na ginagawa ko na yan, nang nahabol kami dito. Nakita ko pa yung mga PNP kanina, nung kinakamayan ko kayo, nandito pa rin pala sila, yung iba. We will be again doing it for the sake of our people, of Kamanaba. We will guard the street, we will shield the helpless, the enforcers, and will enforce the law. And under my management, my leadership will raise the standard of service anchored on the platform of our GPNP under the 5 minutes response and the 5 guiding principle of our regional director. We will work not only with one force, but with compassion, not only with authority, but with accountability, and we will not pay our GPNP, our regional director. And wala na po akong introduce na kung ano na dito sa Northern dahil doon tayo naka-anchor sa ng ating GPNP, yung 3 pillars of swift and responsive public service, unity and morale within the ranks, and accountability and modernization. Ensure that operational efficient, our team are united, our system are adapted to the ever-changing modern demand of public safety, which is the 911 emergency response. And my guidance to the 4 Chief of Police of Kamanaba, this will become our bread and butter dahil nasa lalim din ng mga question nila. Kung nag-fail kayo, alam niyo naman na baka tayo abutin. So, we'll make sure that response arrive not beyond 5-minute limit and police presence, respond will be prepared by our citizen here in Kamanaba. So, don't worry, Arnold, your mga program na sinimulan mo natin parang gagawin kung yung mga at naumpisa na. Same, we will work closely with the barangay official to have synchronized. Doon po nanggagaling ang mga information. Responders to create a seamless network of coordination during emergencies. Nag-study na po ako, may palang magandang mga Caloocan, command center, tara yung Lubaliches. Kagaya sa QCPD, miniror nila nakakonect, kaya marami silang na pwedeng gamitin na drone sa CCTV. Kaya kukonek po natin yan, nakakaintindi naman po ako sa ICT. For the next pillars of the CHIP PNP, we will strengthen unity and morale within the ranks. Strong organization begins with people. We will prioritize the welfare, discipline, professional development of our personnel in this district. We will conduct training, open communication, we will build the police force that's united, committed, and inspired to serve. To our stakeholders in the community, we are not just laborers, we are your peacekeepers. Please help us serving you. Our vision is anchored on shared responsibility with the community, where police community work in hand to build safer, stronger, and more resilient neighborhoods. And let me end this speech by saying that leadership or peace law enforcement is not the soul of the PNP. It is a shared mission, a calling that involves every people, men and women, and the citizen who dreams of a better Kamanaba. Let us move forward and with courage, integrity, and faith on our duty. Mabuhay po ang Northern Police District. Maraming salamat. Magandang hapon po sa ating mga.
Thank you so much, sir. Police Major General Anthony A. Abeli.
Thank you. Please take seats. Sa ating, of course, incoming District Director, my classmate, Police Brigadier General Jerry Protasio from Quezon Province. Yes, sir. To the outgoing District Director and the incoming District Director of Manila Police District, Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad. Gaya ng nabanggit kanina, dito rin si Major General William Macapita, sir, and his lovely wife. Sa ating mga distinguished guests from the different city governments of Camanapa, Caloocan, Malabon, Nabotas, and Valenzuela. Members of the command group, senior officers, nandito, other officers, members from the media, magandang hapon po. Really, there is nothing permanent in this world except change. Kagaya na nabanggit kanina, ang District Director, ang ating outgoing District Director for how many days? 25 days. And with that 25 days, Arnold really broke NPD into greater heights. Marami po siyang accomplishment. Yun na nga lang, sayang. At of course, inilipat siya sa mas sikat na, let's say mas sikat na, na district. And that is Manila Police District. Of course, nakita kong isang rason doon, dati na siya sa Manila Police District. Instead of Jerry bringing to Manila Police District, hindi ka nakasign doon book, di ba? So, siguro it's one of the reasons kaya ang inilagay doon si General Abad kasi galing siya doon, tapos si Jerry dito sa Northern because galing din siya dito. Malas ko nga lang dahil hindi ako naging District Director, galing din ako dito. Kaya lang ewan ko bakit hindi ako naging District Director. Pero nag-Regional Director din naman kala ako sa Regional Director. Parang mas maganda yun. So, Arnold, good luck to your assignment. Thank you for your service sa Northern Police District. And kagaya ng sinabi mo kanina during the turnover dun sa MPD, you wish to be retiring at Manila Police District. At sana, along the way ay magbunus dili ka. Dapat palitan mo yung pag-isip na yun. Sana mag-retire ka as Regional Director on any region sa Pilipinas. Yun ang ultimate goal natin to become a Regional Director. So, pag nag-Regional Director ka, parang a dream come true sa bawat police officer. At pag nag-Chief PNP ka pa, bonus na lang yun. Pag nag-Regional Director ka, okay na. Of course, sa ating District Director na bago, walang ibang nakakakilala sa kanya kung hindi, sa room na to, kung hindi ako, ang classmate niya. I warn you, to the members of NPD, Jerry is a strict officer, of course, a well-refined and strict officer. So dapat palagi tayo mag-observe ng basics. Of course, that is one of our program because for sure, with the personality that he has, na napaka-mitikuloso, dapat you have to toe the line. Hindi na ako magbibigay ng guidance what to do because in all of our class meetings, pinag-uusapan natin yung programa ng ating Chief PNP. All of our actions must be anchored on the programs of our Chief PNP. And I know, like me, 100 support tayo sa ating Chief PNP in such a way that dapat ma-achieve natin yung mga mission and objectives ng ating Chief PNP for a better Philippine National Police. Ang gawin lang natin ay sumunod sa mga iniutos ng ating District Director dahil for sure, he will steer you kung saan dapat tayo papunta. And for now, again, I will now cut short my message because we have to prepare for another simulation exercise tomorrow with our SILD. Okay? Ang guidance ko, yung sinabi na ni District Director. With that, gentlemen and ladies, magandang hapon sa ating lahat.
Tawagan yung Chief of Police. Dapat yung Chief of Police, ang i-direct na yung pinakamalapit na yung kasi ang gusto ni CPFC yung unit na pinakamalapit. So you have to memorize the deployment. Hindi yung unit. No. Should be direct kung sino yung malapit talaga. So,
formal nang isinagawa ang turnover office of the ceremony ng Northern Police District NPD sa bagong pamunuan ng distrito ginanap noong July 14, 2025, ganap na alas 4 ng hapon sa Kaagapay Lodge, NPD Headquarters, Caloocan City. Pinangunahan ang seremonyang ng outgoing Acting District Director na si Police Brigadier General Arnold Abad na magpapasa ng tungkulin sa incoming Acting District Director na si Police Brigadier General Jerry B. Protasio. Nagsilbing presiding officer ang ng Regional Director ng NCRPO na si Police Major General Anthony E. Aberin, kilala sa mahigpit na pagpapatupad ng AAA strategy, Avol Active at Allied para sa mas pinatibay na kampanya laban sa crime at katiwalian sa buong Metro Manila. Sa ilalim ng kanilang 5 guiding principle, binigyan diin ang pagsugpo sa crime sa pamamagitan ng community partnership, maayos sa pagsunod sa mga police procedures, katapatan sa tungkulin, paggalang sa pananampalataya at personal na paniniwala ng lahat, at pag-iwas sa anuman illegal na gawain. Ayon kay Police Major General Anthony Aberin, ang palitan ng pamunuan ay patunay na nananatiling matatag ang hanay ng kapulisan sa pagbantay sa Kamanaba area. Dagdag pa niya, kaakibat ito ng pulisiya ni Police PNP Chief Police General Nicolas D. Torre III na nakatuon sa SWIP ang Response Public Service Unity and Moral with the Frank at Accountability and Modernization. Tuloy-tuloy ang pagbabago sa bagong Pilipinas. Ang gusto ng pulis, ligtas ka.
Pagsubok na nalampasan, kahit minsay di pinanghihinaan, hinding-hindi pa rin pag-agapi, kahit mahirap.